Daniel and Olga here. I guess you could call this retirement travel. We're still in Thailand. It does happen occasionally that we find ourselves with nothing to do. Well, we got out of the room. It's a rainy day. Had to adjust our plans, and we're just out walking. I'll show a picture of it coming after we finish this, enjoying the nature. And
I'm just listening to the birds. There's so much going on.
we came past the place, and it was right at the turn of the road. It was very colorful, artsy looking, fun. And Olga says, "Oh, I wish that was a yoga studio instead of a massage parlor." And
And it was a restaurant. What do you mean?
facing facts. Hi, kids.
Hey, there you are again. I met these guys. I ran into
Good.
them.
Hi.
Hi, how's it going? Good. How are you? Nice. Husband. It's nice to be here.
Yeah, that's what happens. We come out to have a conversation, then we find a chill spot, and you can just listen to the birds and nature. And what's there to say? Where's there to go?
Well, I just did meet these Irish people, and her friend knows Vincent Viss, which is the instructor, handstand instructor. And so I got a picture of her friend with Vincent on my phone now.
In Dublin.
In Dublin. It's fun.
We've tried twice to get Olga there to do sessions, and we haven't coordinated it yet, but maybe some more elements are falling into place.
That's right. So that was a fun meeting. Again, I saw them earlier. Yeah.
I remember looking in through here the other day and saw a mound, and I wondered whether it was termites or whether an old tree had come down. It's quite overcast today, so the colors are subdued.
I think this is natural. In the other part of the island, that would be the east part of the island, that is all rubber trees, planted coconut trees. But this, I think, is just wild.
Well, it's not lush, it's not thick. I wouldn't call it jungle, but it's healthy growth. There are vines. It's not plantation like rows of trees like on the other side. I'm happy it's here. Some of these shrubs that you see just growing naturally, are prized plants around people's homes. we both were commenting that though the water is beautiful here and the beaches are great, the biggest factor has been the chill factor, where we can just go out and walk and enjoy and not be rushed around and have loud noise. And that is a thing. I have to warn you in advance on this one. I heard that there's some obscene statues back in here. Olga's Dutch, so she doesn't really care. And okay, I'll bleep it out if I have to. Hello, Crow. You're having your day. Can we come visit? Okay. Well, that one has a code to scan. We saw mermaids like this leaving India.
We're going this way. I already saw some.
Oh yeah?
Go watch for snakes.
As usual, I don't see anything. So this is the tail of the serpent. This whole thing we've been walking along.
Now there's a creature with a,
Booty call. Well, maybe it was an art school. Oh my God, there's hooks on all these. Are they turtles? Wow. Well, I'm gonna leave it up to you guys to decide what to make of this. A beautiful peacock. I'd say it's an art school project run amok. Some of it is very tastefully done. Definitely some talent. It's not all perverse. There's an elephant. And that one could be doing yoga. Down here, a ring of turtles. And I suppose that was the serpent that went out to the front. Does it live up to your Dutch lifestyle?
you know. What are you looking at? Look down, you know.
For lunch, we've been going to the Pack Vegan Cafe, and Every day we try something different, whether it's a veggie wrap or jackfruit scramble or falafels has been my favorite. We tried to take the boat out to Koh Kam Island, but the 200 baht was just for the boat ride. You have to pay another 200 baht when you get out there. That said, we took a long hike, explored another side of the island. It was fabulous. We saw things that we don't normally see. Spectacular, like things in the moment, like these flowers that would just drop to the ground. Giant butterflies. A giant butterfly up here in the hibiscus bush. It's the size of my palm. Black and yellow. He's on these hibiscus flowers. Enjoying whatever nectar. Oh, he flew right at me. We're wading through the shallows because the tree-lined edge covers the beach here. I would say a somewhat remote end of the beach. Well, if you came ashore here shipwrecked, you'd probably be pretty happy. Coconuts on the beach. That's Koh Kam out there. And even smaller island there. We're trying to get out to the point. You're holding the blob in your hand, turning and saying, the original rubber ball.
Yeah. I remember getting rubber balls as a fun one. Yeah. And boy, did they bounce. Now drop this one. Does it bounce? Did it? Yeah. Try that again.
It sure did.
Let's see the bounce, because we did not. Man, we're going to play with this again.